How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a whistling video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So we're gonna whistle today. It's gonna be super duper chill. Don't get upset if you cannot whistle. Eventually you will learn how. So we're gonna be whistling today with two hands. I'm gonna show you guys the best way to do it. We'll do it for only 10 seconds. If you do it any longer, you do get lightheaded, and if you did it longer than that, you might pass out too. So let's do it. Wow, yeah, you do get a little lightheaded. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, how to whistle with two hands. So the key here is to get your hands into this placement. This is how you want to have your hands positioned. So it makes a triangle. Your hands want to make a triangle. Now what you're going to do is you're going to have your tongue in this position. Like this. So see how it's curled up like this. Curled up, then you're going to push your fingers against it like this. Once they're pushed against it, all you're going to do is close your mouth like this. But tight. Close your mouth very tight on your fingers. Don't have it open like this. Tight like this. And then all you do is you blow. So let's do it again. So again, fingers, push. I'm not doing that good today, but still whistling. So it's not too bad. We'll do this for about 5 minutes, you guys. After that, I feel get a little dizzy, get a little lightheaded, and you don't want that. Okay. Closing in on 3,000 vids for the channel, so I'm super happy about that. The next video, not this video, but the next one will be 3,000. So that marks a big milestone on my channel. 3,000 vids is a ton of videos. So just got to keep going. 4,000 is the next goal. And then 5,000. Wouldn't that be crazy to have 5,000 freaking videos? Like, it's insane. Okay, we'll do another 10 seconds. Wow, that was pretty good. That was good. Yeah, this is my 4th video of the day. Started making vids at 2:30. It's 3:23 right now, so I'll probably finish this at about 3:30. Not too bad. 4 videos. 3 hours, that's moving. That's good stuff. Good stuff right there. I probably won't be able to get 4 videos in the next hour, just for the simple fact I have 1 quick video, but then I have 4 workout videos. All my workout videos are 10-minute long. So 4 10-minute long videos, followed by 2 5-minute videos, followed by 1 10-minute video. And then that'll put me at 12 and I'm good for the day. Okay, we'll do another one. So killing it. We're killing it, you guys. Great job. 1 more set and then we are complete. Hopefully you guys are learning how to whistle. One thing I realized when trying to whistle is that you'll struggle to do it. You'll struggle. Then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, you'll get it. And then after that, it just becomes easier and easier and easier. And then soon, you know it, you're doing it with ease. So again, that's what happened with me. Just struggled, couldn't do it. Then all of a sudden, boom, got it. And then it was easy after that. So that'll probably happen with you. You'll just kind of surprise yourself a little bit and you will get it. Let's do another 10 seconds, then we're done. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999.